got my TRD hat on too.
Where's your TRD hat? Let me see. Oh shit. He's got the fucking Alonso glasses. He's fucking sporty.
And I got my Brian O'Connor shoes on.
Oh shit. Ready.
So today's a really exciting day. I'm on my way to go pick up my new car. For those who follow me on Instagram, you may have an idea of what it is. For everybody else, it's a surprise to be revealed. I'm extremely excited because this is a car that I did not think I'd be able to own until way later on in life. But a deal presented itself, and I did everything I had to make it work. So I'm pumped right now to go pick this thing up. I think you guys will be excited too to see what it is and to see what it can do. So, nice. Well, here it is. What's up, asshole?
Hey, Sugar Neck.
93 white Supra with some Honda wheels on it.
Hey, you made fun of my wheels.
Keys. They're over there on the counter.
Go to the car.
Go straight forward. So we're in neutral here. Friggin' no gas at all. Needs a little bit of love, but show you the best part of it. Single turbo, built motor. Hasn't been dynoed yet, so we'll have to see what it's gonna make, but let her get up the temperature and then we're gonna take it for a little spin. I've never driven a 6-speed, so this will be your first for me. A 6-speed Supra, that is. Definitely got some kinks to work out of this thing.
5 minutes later.
Oh, it's not good.
Well, the good thing is just push that spot and then go to the house.
Yeah. It's not catching at all.
No, it's definitely cranking good enough too.
Alright, That's not good.
Try like a little gas and whatnot.
I was, but it's not even like it's
No,
like
it's not even hiccuping.
it's like it has no spark
You can check.
or it has no fuel.
Nah, you poured in fuel at this point. It would have.
I mean, depends how long it takes for it to get in there.
Just put the key in the on position right now. It'll pump it.
It's on.
I can check your. You have a fuel pressure sensor in there. Look at that. It's in the hood. It's in the engine bay.
Yeah, actually, you know what? Check that. See if we're getting fuel pressure. If it's at 0, we know where we're at.
Yeah, you're almost at 30.
Yeah? See what it's at when I crank it. Hopefully this does it.
This is on the junkyard.
There she goes. Ah, there it is. Wait, you gotta take it for a ride for it. Thank you. See you, buddy. All right. Try this again. So I got home from the inaugural ride. I heard a noise. I was like, what the hell was that? It was my gasket around my windshield blew off. Quality 1993 parts over here. But anyway, definitely has some work to be done. A lot of things to be kinked out. So, main thing though, gotta get it cleaned up, get it situated, and then next month we can get it strapped to the dyno and see what we'll actually put down for power.